पुष्पा राज वापस आ गया है और इस बार ये पर्सनल है। Scene opens with Pushpa Raj, Allu Arjun's iconic style and swagger, the signature look. The crowd goes wild. तैयार हो जाओ नॉन-स्टॉप एक्शन के लिए, क्योंकि पुष्पा 3, The Rampage आ रहा है स्क्रीन पे। Fast-paced cuts of high-octane action sequences, intense background music kicks in, बदला लेने की प्यास और दिल में आग। पुष्पा के सामने नए खतरे और पुराने दुश्मन। डायलॉग स्निपेट्स, पुष्पा's booming voice, सोचा था मुझे गिरा दोगे, देखो मैं कैसे उठता हूँ। गद्दारी गहरी है और पावर के लिए लड़ाई खतरनाक। ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ श्रीवली, राश्मिका मंदाना एंड भानवर सिंह शेखावत, फहद फासिल शोकेसिंग देयर पावरफुल रोल्स। खेल अब और भी बड़ा और एक्शन और भी तगड़ा। डायलॉग स्निपेट, भानवर सिंह शेखावत, इस बार पुष्पा तू नहीं बचेगा। पुष्पा राज अपना राज वापस लेने आ रहा है और कोई उसे नहीं रोक सकता। Another action montage, explosions, chases, intense hand-to-hand combat. महसूस करो एड्रेनलिन, महसूस करो पावर, महसूस करो रैम्पेज। डायलॉग स्निपेट, श्रीवाली, पुष्पा, हमें तुम पर भरोसा है, दहाड़ लगा दो। End with a powerful tagline, get ready for the rampage. Official title card, Pushpa 3, The Rampage 2026. Be there. देखते रहो, असली मुकाबला होने वाला है। पुष्पा लौटेगा। Pushpa Raj's journey is not just about revenge, but about reclaiming his honor and legacy. The stakes are higher, the enemies are stronger, and the battles are fiercer. This time, it's not just about survival, it's about dominance. Pushpa Raj is seen pushing his limits, training harder than ever before. His determination is unbreakable, his spirit indomitable. He is preparing for the ultimate showdown. Allies gather around Pushpa Raj, each one bringing their unique skills to the table. Together they form an unstoppable force, ready to take on any challenge that comes their way. The tension is palpable as Pushpa Raj faces his enemies. The air is thick with anticipation. Every move, every glance, every breath is charged with intensity. Pushpa Raj leads the charge, his followers rallying behind him with unwavering loyalty. The battle cry echoes through the air, signaling the beginning of an epic confrontation. In the end, Pushpa Raj stands victorious, looking over his defeated enemies. His journey has been long and arduous, but his spirit remains unbroken. He has reclaimed his throne, and his legacy is secure. As Pushpa Raj walks into the sunset, a new dawn rises. His journey is far from over, but for now, he basks in the glory of his hard-earned victory. The legend of Pushpa Raj continues.